If you get the message check blind spot collision warning in your Hyundai or Kia vehicle, there are basically 3 levels of the problem you can have with the car. First of all, this may happen when the rear bumper is quite dirty. This prevents the 2 BSD sensors from detecting vehicles on the road, and they just get deactivated by the vehicle software, so you see the warning. After a proper car wash, you will need to drive 10 or 20 miles to let the system calibrate and start working again. The second level is a calibration issue. Dealerships are not really open about the initial reason for this issue, but thousands of Hyundai cars need to come to the dealership to have the BSD sensors recalibrated. They may have a very weak mounting bracket that moves the sensor out of its position, or the sensors themselves tend to lose their calibration. But the thing is that the faulty sensor must be recalibrated with the professional diagnostic equipment, and then the vehicle must be driven at least 60 miles to let the blind spot collision warning work again. And the third level of problems is connected to wiring. Unfortunately, wiring issues are just traditional for Hyundai and Kia cars, so several service bulletins explain to dealership mechanics how to check the system and what trouble codes mean and what kinds of issues they indicate. I found 2 major TSBs, and unless you can fix the problem using simple car wash or recalibration methods, you may want to have a look at these bulletins. First of all, it's the bulletin number 19BE008H. It explains the connection between the BSD module, LED light in the wing mirror, and also the BSD sensors, and tells you about the specific trouble codes that shed some light on the actual culprit of the problem. And then there is a bigger TSB number 19BE011H1, which explains how to calibrate the system, read the codes, and also shows the list of conditions when the BSD system may experience problems and throw some warnings and codes that will clear themselves after some time. This document also gives a very detailed way of calibrating the sensors and checking if they are located at the proper angles.